New chapter, Organic Compounds Containing Nitrogen. First of all, we will see nomenclature of amines. IUPAC name of CH3NH2 is methanamine. Common name methylamine. This is ethanamine, ethylamine. CH3CH2CH2CH2NH2, that is propanamine or propane 1-amine and normal propyl amine. CH3CHNH2CH3, this is propane 2-amine or isopropyl amine. CH3CH2CH2CH2NH2, this is butane 1-amine or normal butyl amine. CH3CHNH2CH2CH3, this is butane 2-amine or butyl 2-amine or sec-butyl amine, but it is not isobutyl amine. CH3CH, CH2NH2. Here, functional group is on first carbon and one methyl group is a branch on second carbon from opposite end. Therefore, it is 2-methyl propane 1-amine or isobutyl amine. CH3C, CH3 twice NH2. So it is 2-methyl butane 2-amine or neobutyl amine or tertiary butyl amine. CH3C, CH3CH3 and CH2NH2. Here, functional group is at the end. Second carbon from opposite end has 2-methyl group. So this is neo. And there are 5 carbons, it is neopentyl. IUPAC name 2,2-dimethyl propane 1-amine or neopentyl amine. CH3NHCH3. When two alkyl groups attach to nitrogen, it is called secondary amine. And here the original compound is methanamine. One hydrogen is replaced by methyl group and that is attached to nitrogen. So we write capital N, which stands for nitrogen. So it is N-methyl methanamine. Common name dimethylamine. Here again this is the main compound CH3CH2NH. It is ethanamine. CH2CH3, that is ethyl group, is attached to nitrogen of ethanamine. So we write N-ethyl ethanamine or diethylamine. Here CH3CH2CH2NH is the main compound. It is propanamine and CH2CH2CH3 is propyl group attached to nitrogen. So it is called N-propyl propane 1-amine. Here one group is methyl, another group is ethyl. We will consider longest chain as a main compound. So ethanamine is a main compound and CH3 is a branch on nitrogen. So it is N-methyl ethanamine or ethyl methylamine. In this case, the main compound is propanamine and methyl is a branch which is attached to nitrogen. So N-methyl propane 1-amine or methyl propyl amine. Here the main compound is methanamine. Instead of 2 hydrogen, now we have 2 branches, they are methyl groups. So N-dimethyl methanamine or trimethylamine. In this case, 2 ethyl groups attached to nitrogen with main compound is ethanamine. So it is N-diethyl ethanamine or triethylamine. Here, 1 methyl group and 2 ethyl group attached to nitrogen. So we write N-ethyl N-methyl ethanamine or diethyl methylamine. Here, N-dimethyl ethanamine or ethyl dimethylamine. In this case, longest chain is propyl. So N-ethyl N-methyl propane 1-amine or methyl ethyl propyl amine. 2 NH2 group attached to 2 different carbon. It is vicinal diamine. So we call it ethane 1,2-diamine or ethylene diamine, EN. NH2, CH2, CH, NH2, CH2, NH2. There are 3 carbon and 3 amine groups. So we write propane 1,2,3 triamine or propylene triamine PTN or hexane 1,6-diamine or hexamethylene diamine HMDA. Here 3 N-methyl pentanamine. This is 3 N-dimethyl pentanamine. In this case, methyl group is attached to nitrogen, ethyl group is attached to nitrogen. So N-ethyl N-methyl pentane 1-amine. Here, the main compound is 1, 2, 3 and 4 carbons, so butane. And then nitrogen is attached to second carbon of butane. And these 2 methyl groups attached to nitrogen. So we write N-dimethyl, 2 N-dimethyl butanamine. CH2COOH is the main compound. It is 2-aminoethanoic acid or aminoacetic acid or glycine. NH2 group is attached to second carbon of COOH, that is alpha carbon. So it is 2-aminopentanoic acid. Here methyl and amine is in the branch. So 1, 2 and 3 propanol, and the second carbon is having methyl amine group. So it is 2 N-methylamino propane 1-ol. Double bond as well as NH2 is on the first carbon. So we write propene 1-amine. Here double group is different on carbon on and NH2 is on the different carbon. First carbon is this one which is having NH2. So it is propene, prop 2 in 1-amine. There is no double bond, so it is cyclohexanamine and ethyl cyclopentanamine. Three cyclic group attached to nitrogen. So it is N dicyclopropyl cyclopropanamine or N dicyclopropyl cyclopropanamine. This is benzenamine or aniline. N-methyl benzenamine or N-methyl aniline. Here N-dimethyl benzenamine or the N-dimethyl aniline. This is N-ethyl N-methyl benzenamine or N-ethyl N-methyl aniline. 2-methyl benzenamine or 2-methyl aniline or orthotoluidine. When NH2 and CH3 groups are present on benzene ring, they are called toluidine. 3-methyl benzenamine or 3-methyl aniline or metatoluidine. 4-methyl benzenamine or paratoluidine. 2,2-dimethyl benzenamine or 2,4-dimethyl aniline. 2-nitrobenzenamine or orthonitroaniline. 3-nitrobenzenamine, metanitroaniline, 4-nitrobenzenamine, paranitroaniline. When OCH3 and NH2 groups are present on benzene, they are known as anicidine. So it is 4-methoxybenzenamine or para-anicidine. 2,4,6-tribromobenzenamine or 2,4,6-tribromoaniline. N-benzyl N-methyl benzenamide. N-phenyl benzenamide, diphenylamine. Benzene 1,4-diamine. NO group is nitroso. So N-nitroso N-methyl benzenamide. Here nitroso group is present on para position. So para-nitroso N-dimethyl benzenamide. Here N-diphenyl benzenamine or triphenylamine. This is N-benzyl phenylmethanamine or diphenyl N-dimethyl benzenamide. Here N-acetyl benzenamine or N-phenylethanamide or acetanilide. This is para-N-acetylaminophenol paracetamol or para-hydroxyacetanilide. Here N-phenyl benzamide. Para-bromo or 4-bromo N-acetyl benzenamine or para-bromo acetanilide. This is 4-nitro N-acetyl benzenamine or para-nitro acetanilide. This is benzene diazonium hydrogen sulfate. Here para-toluene diazonium chloride. This is para-aminobenzene sulfonic acid or sulfanilic acid. It is para-hydroxyazobenzene orange dye. This is beta-naphthyl-azobenzene and here para-aminoazobenzene. This is para-N-dimethylaminoazobenzene. It is yellow dye. Cynomethane, ethane nitrile, methyl cyanide, cynomethane or acetonitrile. Propane nitrile, ethyl cyanide, cyanoethane. When we write nitrile, it is IUPAC name and in which we will include the carbon of the CN group in the chain. 2-methyl propane nitrile or isopropyl cyanide, isobutyl nitrile. Here prop 2-in nitrile or vinyl cyanide or acrylonitrile. Cyclohexane carbonitrile. If you want to write IUPAC name including carbon of CN not in the chain, then you have to write carbonitrile. Carbonitrile stands for CN. Benzene carbonitrile or benzonitrile. When you write benzo, you are including this carbon in the chain. But if you write carbonitrile, you are excluding carbon of the CN. Phenyl cyanide. It is benzene 1,2-dicarbonitrile. NC is isocyanide or carbylamine. So ethane isonitrile or methyl carbylamine, common name methyl isocyanide. Ethane isonitrile or ethyl carbylamine or ethyl isocyanide. Benzene carbylamine, phenyl isocyanide. Nitromethane, this is nitroethane, nitropropane. Nitrobenzene, metadinitrobenzene,